can't fucking get it.
Mind your language. Just came out the door, and we have these very strange glowing objects just going across the sky. I think they're all the exact same intensity. They kind of have a scintillation effect, they kind of a fluttering of the intensity of the light. I wonder if these are those, what they called fireballs that people were seeing here in the Northwest. I saw a few myself, and I did post a report on MUFON. And it was a multiple sighting too. And I did find a witness.
Right.
I wonder if I can change that. Okay. Zoom in maybe? Okay. Oh, there we go. It's more grainy, of course. But I think there was 5 at first. Now there seems to be 4. But it's foggy up there, clouds. They're making a formation. The last time I saw them, they made triangles. Okay, one just disappeared. And it looks like the lead one's probably going to disappear next. Okay. I can't brighten it. That's all I'm going to get. 3 left. They are moving very slowly. And I hear no sound. Did you? I don't hear a sound of like a helicopter or anything.